Dwarf Snapdragon is a charming flowering plant that is loved by gardeners for its bright colors and compact size. Unlike the taller snapdragon varieties, dwarf snapdragons grow shorter and bushier, which makes them perfect for small gardens, containers, borders, and balcony planters. Their flowers come in many beautiful shades such as red, pink, yellow, white, orange, and purple. These colorful blooms appear in tall clusters and create a lively and cheerful look wherever they are planted. One of the most interesting features of snapdragon flowers is their unique shape. The flowers resemble a small dragon's mouth, which is why they are called snapdragons. When the sides of the flower are gently pressed, the petals open and close like a tiny mouth. This playful feature often attracts children and gardeners alike. In addition to their unusual shape, the flowers also attract butterflies and bees, making them beneficial for pollination in the garden. Dwarf snapdragons grow best in areas that receive plenty of sunlight. They usually need about 6 hours of sunlight each day to produce strong stems and abundant flowers. The plant prefers well-draining soil that is slightly fertile and loose. Garden soil mixed with compost works very well because it provides nutrients while allowing proper drainage. If the plant is grown in pots or containers, it is important to choose a pot with drainage holes, so excess water can escape easily. Watering dwarf snapdragons should be done regularly but carefully. The soil should remain slightly moist, but it should never become too wet or soggy. Overwatering can damage the roots and reduce flower production. During warm weather, watering may be needed more frequently, while cooler seasons may require less water. These plants are usually grown from seeds or small nursery plants. When planted in early spring, dwarf snapdragons begin growing quickly and soon develop small green leaves and sturdy stems. After a few weeks, colorful flower spikes begin to appear, bringing beauty and brightness to the garden. With proper care, these flowers can bloom from spring through early summer and sometimes even longer in mild climates.